Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve settings file system error on Windows 11 -789 F39 H62. So to resolve this problem, search CMD, run as administrator. Now type this command line sfc /scan now. So type this command line, this is the first one, sfc /scan now. And once this scanning process will be complete, you have to copy and paste this second command line, dism.exe online cleanup image restore health. So copy and paste this second command line and complete this scanning. And once this complete, exit and restart your system. So this is the method, guys. You can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching.